Hi there, I'm just going to show you quickly how you can fix, or how I think you can fix, the issue you're having with audio feedback in your assignment. So I'm just going to go into a course, go into the assignments Dropbox here. I'll go down to something, yeah, this has some new stuff in it, so I'm going to go down here and I'll click on evaluate. I won't actually evaluate it for you though. And when I scroll down here on the right, the problem we're having is recording audio and it's grayed out. So I think what you need to do, and I've tried a number of things, but you're going to go up to the little, and you can't even probably see that. Just a second. Here I am, follow my mouse. I'm on the little lock up here beside the URL up at the top. I'm going to click on that. You can see Flash is being blocked. I'm going to allow that. Then reload, and it should now allow me to record audio. Boom, there it is. There's the record button, and you can record audio, and there we go. I'll just cancel that and stop that. So that's what it was. It was the Flash being blocked right here. So I think once you allow that for this site, it should be open and it shouldn't cause you a problem anymore. But if it happens again, that's what you're going to do. Hope that helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks.